And right now we are done with our shoe. This is how it came out. Yes, so we are going to work on this tiny flower you see here. I'm going to show you how we make this flower. I've not yet attached it properly to this, but this is how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to show you how we make it. Using my cream color, I'm going to make a magic ring. This is how I make my magic ring. Then I'm going to chain 3, 2, and then 3. I'm going to make 13 double crochets. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. So after the 13th one, I'm going to pull this so that it makes a circle. So this is our tiny circle, as you can see. So we are going to join it here with a slip stitch, and then I tighten it properly. So this is my tiny circle. After here, I'm going to make chains. I'm going to be making chains of 13. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. So after making this chain of 13, I'm going to come back here and make a single crochet with it. So this is how it is. I'm going to make another 13 chain. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and in the same space where we put is where I'm going to put again. So in each of the double crochets you made, you're going to put 2 13 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I come in the next one and bring it there again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I bring it back here. I chain 13 again. So this is basically what I'm going to do all around. I go in the next one, and in each you put 2 13 chains. So that's what we are going to keep doing. Hope you see it is now starting to form that calf flower that we want. So I chain 13 again. I go in the next one. So our flower is starting to form. And just keep doing that. And you're going to have a very beautiful flower. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out in case I upload a video. And also put your comment down. What do you think about this flower? Put your comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much and be blessed. Yeah, just keep doing that and then you're going to have a perfect flower. Ta-da!